Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is You Fight On, and we're in the key of E flat on today. This is an awesome song. We're going to get right into it. And you know what? This song was requested by Jamie Hines. Thank you so much, Jamie, for this awesome request.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of E flat. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We can run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's go ahead and do it like we always do. Let's crack our knuckles, stretch them out, wiggle them, get the nerves out. All right, let's get it. You fight on.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with. All right, let me give you that. So we're going to our 1, our 3, and then we're going to our 5. And then we're doing what you call a call response meet. Yeah, call response meet. So what I'm doing is I'm going 6, that's my call. Then I'm going to my response, that's a C minor chord. Then I'm going to my call again, that's my 3. Then we're going to our response. Right there on the B flat major chord, we're playing a 5 in our left hand, B flat major in our right hand. Now here's where we meet. Right here on the C minor chord on the 6. So again, that sounds like call, response, meet. Let me give it to you one more time. Call, response, meet. So now we're going to go. All right, let me give you that. So what I'm doing is I'm going 2, 3, right there on the 3, I'm playing my B flat major chord. Then I'm walking up to my 5, and then we're going back to the call, response, meet, right? Right, yeah. All right, so now that's kind of cool, right? So we do that a couple times, right? Then the next part is, yeah, let me give you that. So I'm going 6, then I'm playing my C minor chord, then we're going, let me give you that nice little motif there. We're going F, E flat, C, B flat, then we're going to our tritone. We're playing our A and our E flat, and we're playing our 2 in our bass. Going to the 5, playing the A flat major chord. Then we're going back to the E flat major chord on the 1. Now here's a little transition they love to do. Let me give you that. It's just a 7-3. Then we're going to our 6. So what we're doing is we're going C, E flat, F. Right here we're going to our 7. We're playing this big chord. This is a F, C, and a G. Then we're going to our 3, and we're playing this F, B, and a G. Now we're going back to our chord response, right? All right, let me give you that. So we're going, what we learned earlier. Here's the change. We're going to our 5. We're playing a B flat major chord. Going to the 4. That's an A flat major chord. Going to our 5. Playing an A flat major chord. Then we're going to our 1. We're playing this E flat major chord. Now they're doing this nice thing in the bass. It sounds really nice. They go. All right, let me give you that. We're playing a 5, 6, 1, 6. They're just kind of doing it fast. Right? Then our next chord is a A flat major chord. We're doing that same little thing. Right? Then we're going back to our E flat major chord on the 1. Now, of course, we're going right back to our turnaround. What we learned earlier, we already got that. Now the next part is, yeah, the verse. So the verse goes. All right, let me give you that. So we're going 6, playing our C minor chord, walking up to our 3, and we're playing this beautiful chord, grab it. So we hit this chord 3 times. Then we go right back to our, right? So that's the rhythm, right? All right, so the next part is, let me give you that. We're going 6, going to our E flat 6 chord, walking down to our 2. Right there on the 2, we're playing our F dominant 7 chord, walking up to our 5. Now we're playing our F minor 7 chord on the 5. Going to our 1, playing an E flat major chord. Then we're playing that turnaround again. Now we're going right back to the beginning, right? So let me give that. All we're doing is we're going 6. We're playing our C minor chord. Going to our 5, that's a B flat major chord. Going to our A flat major chord on the 4. Going to the A flat major chord on the 5. Then going to the 1, playing the E flat major chord. And we're playing that nice little thing. Alright, you remember that 5, 6, 1, 6. Then we're going to our 4, 5, 6, 1, 6. Then we're going back to our 1. Now at the end, they always like to turn around. You cannot have a gospel song unless you're turning something around, right? So on the vamp, they go, sword in your hand, sword in your hand, right? All right, so all I'm doing is I'm playing 6, playing my C minor chord, 3, 5, 6, playing the B flat major chord on the 5, going to the A flat major chord. They like to do this nice thing. And all I'm doing is I'm just playing F and an A, G flat and a B flat. Then we're playing this chord right here on the 3. And then we just repeat. again. Of course, they're doing something different. They're going, you fight on, you fight on, you fight on, you fight on. All right, let me give you that. We're playing a set of chords here. We're playing a 1. We're playing an E flat major chord, going to the 4. That's the A flat major chord. Going down to the E flat major chord on the 3. Going to the A flat major chord right here on the 2. Going right back to the E flat major on the 1. Going to the A flat major chord on the 4. Now they're doing this nice bounce. They're just bouncing on the 5. And then we're playing this E flat sus4 chord. Then they go, hey, you remember that? Yeah, all we're doing is we're playing that E flat major chord on the 1, and then we're going to the 4, playing the A flat major chord. And in between, we're just playing our 5, 6, 1, 6, right? Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the night preparation exposed me. I remember one time at church, one of the ministers asked me to preach a sermon. He gave me a week or 2 to prepare. Now, if you really know me, you know public speaking and me get along like a flat tire on a road trip. But I agreed anyway. Days went by, and instead of preparing, I kept pushing it off. No notes, no outline, nothing. Somewhere in my mind, I figured maybe the moment would pass me by. That night at church, I pulled the minister aside and told him, I'm not ready. I didn't prepare. Service started, and I stayed locked in on the piano, almost using the keys as a hiding place. People got up one by one to speak, and with every person that sat down, my nerves climbed higher. Then it happened. The minister grabbed the mic and said, I know the brother said he wasn't prepared, but we're going to call him up anyway. Everybody give it up for him. The church erupted in applause, and suddenly, every step to the podium felt a mile long. I stood there with no notes, no direction, and no backup plan except pure survival. I tried to wing it, stumbled over my words, froze up, then finally looked over and said, I told you I wasn't prepared. And I sat back down. Life lesson. Sometimes embarrassment becomes the teacher preparation could have been. But moments like that don't have to define you. They can develop you. Every great speaker, musician, preacher, or leader has had a moment where they froze, failed, or felt unqualified. The difference is they didn't stop there. Your next opportunity might already be on the calendar. So prepare now like your future is depending on it. Because one day the same stage that embarrassed you could become the stage where you shine. Guys, we have just reached 3,000 subscribers. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you for telling your friends, telling your buddies about this channel. And please keep doing it. I really appreciate you. And you know what? Jimmy Hines, I didn't forget about you. Thank you also for this awesome song. Please come back and request more. This is the time I tell you that 3,000 is good, but we are on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yep, a subscribe button. You know what? They tell me it takes 3 seconds, and I believe it takes 3 seconds. So here we go. We're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you. you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year. I really appreciate you. And you know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.